my little Facebook family. Because I'm terrible at doing lives and I cannot for the life of me figure out how to make it work on Facebook, I'm just going to video this. If you have any questions, just drop them down below the video and I will try to get to them as best I can. Unfortunately, I am just a disaster when it comes to technology, and Facebook is not super live friendly anymore. It used to be. I had to do some lives when I was doing like card making stuff for some of the companies that I represented, and it went fine, but for some reason it is not now. So what I'm going to do is film this, throw it up on Facebook, and then that way, even though I can't answer questions live, I can answer any questions that you have if you drop them down underneath the video in Facebook. Also, I may put this up on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, hey, hi, hello YouTube. I thought maybe I might put it up there. So if I do, it's because there's a sale coming up this weekend. And if anybody's interested in any of the shops that are participating in the Ultimate Planner sale this weekend, it would be a good time for you to just hop over to the Ultimate Planner sales website, see who's there, check out all the discounts and the freebies and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, without further ado, let's go over the goodies. Okay, so first things first, we have a new collection, but I'm going to save that one for last because the freebies that are connected to the sale are in there. So let's just go over the, the normal stuff that I have. So I have the Parisian Paws. So this is this month's subscription that sold out. This one actually renews on the 1st. So this is just the mini kit version of it, but this is the artwork. So if you don't get the subscription, it's too much for you, or too many pieces, the mini kits are a perfect size for you to still get the artwork if you like it and enjoy it and all that stuff without actually having to subscribe. And then if you are a subscriber, well, you get a nice little peek at what's in the actual subscription. So this is Parisian Paws. Husband and I have been there a few times. We went with my daughter. So many good memories there. Some not so great. I got sick one of them and learned the French version of healthcare, which is actually amazing. They took care of me really well, but of course you're going to remember the part where you were sick more than anything else. But loved it. I loved all the architecture. I'm a huge art fan. So that we spent a lot of time in every museum that we could go to. We went to Versailles. I didn't put Versailles in here, but I did try to kind of highlight some of the Parisian beautifulness. So it's called Parisian Paws, and this is your full page sticker. Here are some of the florals. I didn't do a florals kit for this one. I know you guys are getting used to me doing them. I'm not always going to be able to do them. There weren't as many florals in this collection. I gave you the ones that I had in here. I didn't want to create more because I'm in the middle of doing 100 other things, so I didn't really have time to go in and make more of them. And the Amate florals match this pretty well. So if you've already gotten or you're getting the florals kit for Amate, you can totally mix and match into this kit and you will be totally fine. It's going to match beautifully. But you do get this full sheet of florals here. Here is a nice deco sheet with stamps and just beautiful. I really want to go back. And then you got your stamps and your film strip page. And then this is the other florals page. So you've got the large corners and some individual pieces in the middle. And then you have all of your washi sheets, which if you're seeing this on YouTube and you're new to my shop, a lot of my matte kits will have washi in them. If it's a washi kit, it's all washi. If it's a matte kit, it has some washi pieces in it because these are meant for layering. Big on collages. I love for you guys to be able to rip, tear, put things under, over, whatever. I'm super huge on collage. So that's what these are for. So you have a full sheet right here, which you could use it as a full page if you wanted to, like if you have a page that you just need to cover. Famously for me, the Faded Chronicle, and I did know that she's not changing it for 2027, has 6 pages in between your weeks. So I don't always need 6 pages to do anything in the middle. So these are fantastic. They're washi paper, so they're thin. They don't take up a lot of bulk, and it's a good way to just make a page beautiful that you don't have any plans to write on. Yeah, so that's a good one for that. These are sidebars, And the sidebar strips work well in monthlies, dailies, wherever you want to use them, or you can rip them, tear them, whatever. And then these are the washi boxes. And the way that the washi boxes work is it's one full sheet and you cut it however you want. So if you want them side by side, you can cut it that way. If you want strips, you can cut it that way. Individual boxes, you can cut it that way. However makes you happy, but it gives you a whole entire sheet of washi boxes, which to me is just more artwork. It's just more stuff for you to layer and play with. So that is the mini kit. It is available in premium matte, which I like to show you the premium matte over the washi just because it's easier for you to see all the colors. Let me see if I have one. If you're not sure how well the colors match, I can show you with a white thing behind it, but as you can see, the colors pop. Once you stick it down on your paper, the colors pop up. But when I'm showing you, I have to put a white background, so that's why it's just easier for me to show you on, where's the other one? For me to just show you on the mat. But you can see washi works just as well. It's just as beautiful, and the colors pop just as much as they do on the mat. So there's Parisian Paws, the mini kit. We also have, for that one, all of the extras that I always do. So you've got a week's kit. Let me just lay them down like this. So you've got a week's kit. There you go. You got that one. You also have your A5 or cousin, however you want to say it, which has 4 pages to it. You've got that one. And then you also have the standard vertical, which always surprises me that people are still using like the Happy Planner standard vertical spiral. I don't know why it surprises me, just because it's not in my headspace. So but you guys still buy this, so I still make it. So there it is. So you have all of these also in the Parisian Paws, and then the functionals, and that's it. That's where it's going to stop. I'm not, like I said, I'm not doing the florals. Sorry, I just dropped this on the floor. I didn't even have a chance to do, I'm going to put this up so you can see the functionals. I didn't even have a chance to do the digitals for this one. So there's not even digitals, but Amate, I believe, is up there with digitals. I'd have to double check, so I can't even remember what I did now, but this is the functionals. So you've got a full, this is called the collage page, rip it, tear it, whatever you want to do for underlays. Another washi strips or sidebar strips, and this is different artwork than what you have in the actual kit. So if you pick them both up, there's no doubles. Then you have your overlays, which these are like the library overlays with the stamps. Then you've got a scripts underlay, again another one where you can rip it, tear it, however you want to use it. Then these are either washi strips if you want to use them as washi strips like in an A6 or a weeks or something like that, or what I created them for was time strips. I use the cloth and paper time strips usually, and this is what I use to block time. Then we have ink stains, ink splotches, and bullet points. So all of those, these are all a la carte, or you can get the whole thing together. It just depends on what you need. So there's that one. Then one other kit before we get into the new stuff is, this is now up by popular demand. I think you guys were very demanding when it came to this. Here, let me leave this here for just this page. This is the quote stuff that you see on Instagram, because I do a quote a day on the artwork. I always just overlay it onto the artwork that collections that we've done. And so I turned it into a kit for anybody who wants it and needs it. This is the washi sheet. Again, it's the same as the other ones where you cut them, tear them, whatever you want, but the quotes are on here. This is exactly what you saw on Instagram. It's just taken from there and put into whatever format that I picked. So for this one, it was the washi boxes. Then for this, these are like this, see, like the edges, what do you call those? Raw edges, deco edges, however you want to say, but they're not square. There's that. So there's a couple of those. I tried to give you all of them without doubles. So I'm pretty sure you're not going to see any doubles in here. It's pretty much the entire month of them all put into one kit, and then in different sizes. So there's those 2 pages. Then I gave you 2 of the like half page boxes with bigger ones. This is my favorite. This and this are my favorite. These ones are cool, but these ones are my favorite because it really like brings it out. And so I tried to pick the ones that I love the most to make the biggest. So there's those. And then there's these, which these are like the A6 size pages that I did. If you've gotten any of the A6 ones, that's these. So a little bit bigger, but ones that you could put like a full page in your A6 or something like that, or use as a cover, however you want to do it. So this is one entire kit. So if you, and they're up in the shop now, if you want to take a look at them, they're there, but good time to pick this up if it's something you've had your eye on during the sale. The sale also is, if you are not sure, my shop is 25% off. And then there's tiered freebies, which I'll go over the tiered freebies, but only during the sale. So I'll go over those in a second. The new collection is called Postcards from the Pier. And I don't usually do a lot of cutesy stuff. I love the cutesy stuff, but I don't like to do it all the time. And it's definitely not something you're going to see in our subscriptions. It's just kind of like little fun one-off things that every once in a while I get in a whimsical mood. And so we end up with a whimsical kit. So this is, again, it is available in both matte and washi. You're going to see it in matte, but there are the washi pages in the back, which I will show you in a second. But so cute. This is called Postcards from the Pier. This is basically like a coastal, could be either East Coast, West Coast, whichever. There's lighthouses, there's a pier, there's carnival, there's all that kind of stuff. So here is your big full page. Here is your two bigger, I call them half page artwork. How cute is he? Oh my gosh. And then your stamps and your sidebar strip, I mean your film strip, but also put some smaller ones in here in case you want to put those in any of the smaller spots. Your florals page, deco with more florals, bigger deco with florals. There's a lot of florals in here. And then some other like whimsical cute things. My burb, I call it a burb. I call it a burb because my family, my girls call them burbs, but that's the burb. Then this is a new sheet that started with this month's subscription, and I'm making it into all of the from this month's subscription on kits. But instead of the washi strips, now you're getting these, which are just, you know, organic edges, corners, washi strips, you know, that kind of stuff for layering. And then back to the washi sheets. So you're used to these. I'm not going to keep explaining them, but you know what they are. Full page washi boxes. I shouldn't say what they are, but what we use them for. And then two more. So I added an extra page of this in here instead of the, what do you call, where are they? Because we're doing this, I'm not doing, I put some in here. I thought I did. Hold on. Hold the phone. These. So instead of these, I'm doing a full page, an extra full page washi so that you have more options for that. Just because those are harder to use. I don't really see them in too many of the spreads that people share, and I never use them either. And this I use a lot. Like these full pages, I use them every single time I get a kit, I use them. So this one is more for, you know, tearing, ripping, underlay, that kind of stuff. This one is more for like what I said before, where you could cover like a whole page with this. You could put it down the middle and use it as a half and half, however. And then you guys love these, so I won't change that. But these are your underlays. So that is Postcards from the Pier in the journaling kit. It's a 12-page journaling kit. This one is actually fine, so I'm not even putting it back in any semblance of normal form. This is the florals. So I did do a florals for this one. These are your large corner florals, some strips. The florals only come in washi if you've never gotten them from me before. And then this page you're already familiar with, and then this one is not all florals, but everything in it has florals in it, so I put it in here because I thought it was super cute, and I needed a fourth page because I ran out of flowers without giving you like doubles. So that's the florals kit, also up in the shop. Last thing before we get into the freebies is your functionals. So there's your sidebar strips. No sidebar strips come in that kit. So if you want sidebar strips, you have to order them separate. Your underlay for your collage sheet. Look at the colors just pop right off when you put it on that white background. It looks kind of dull and lifeless until you put it down on paper. Washi does anyway. And then you've got your library and your scripts. This is like, to me, the perfect summer kit, perfect summer colors. Look at how vibrant those are. It's just so beautiful. Okay, there's those. And then your splotches, splashes, stains, however you want to call it, and your bullet points. So that is the functional kit that goes with this one. I am working on creating an A6. Overwhelmingly on the poll within like the first couple minutes was to do this kit right here, the postcards from the Pier. So that is one of them. And then I'll take a look at the poll at the end of the night and see what other one, if I have time, I'll make another A6 with whatever the next one on the list is. But these are your freebies. So this one is the all orders freebie. So everybody, no matter what you order, is going to get one of these. This is the 25 and up, and these all stack. So if you order $75 or more, you're going to get all of them. This is the 45 and up. And then these two are the 75 and up. So at 75, you get all of this. So, and I had to make that one the biggest one because that's just my favorite. So there are the freebies. Any questions, anything you want to know about, just leave it down below. If you're part of the Facebook group, you guys know that you can always find me there. If you're here from YouTube, because I decided to pop this onto YouTube, sign up for the Facebook group and you'll get all of this information way ahead of time and not just when I get a chance to pop something up onto YouTube. The sale starts, if you're watching this late on YouTube, like later on, the sale starts May 1st, runs all weekend. I think it's what, May 3rd is Sunday. And shop is 25% off. You saw the tiered freebies. This is the new stuff. There will be one more or two more new things if I can get to two of them of the A6 kits, which you've seen. If you haven't seen and you want to know what they are, there's one for chapters and there's one for espresso and ink already on the website. So website's linked down below as well. So anyways, I hope you guys have a fantastic day and I will see you on the next one. Bye.